Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling ingredients and gear so the process flows. Combine butter and sugar first because creaming builds structure. You want air pumped in for texture. Once done, add eggs one at a time to maintain emulsion and scrape the bowl between additions. Make sure to preheat oven to the recipe temperature and line trays with parchment. This prevents sticking and ensures even heat. Mixing in dry ingredients last avoids overworking gluten, which keeps cookies tender. You shape and control bake variables to achieve consistent results. Portion dough with a scoop or scale so cookies bake evenly. When sizes match, timing becomes reliable. Once shaped, chill the dough to firm fats and reduce spread. Chilling also deepens flavor as ingredients meld. Place racks center stage and rotate pans at halfway to counter hot spots. Make sure to watch color, not time alone. Golden edges with slightly soft centers. You finish by cooling and preserving texture, and you troubleshoot common issues. Let cookies rest on the sheet briefly so they set, then move to a rack to avoid steam sogginess. This preserves crisp edges and soft centers. Store in an airtight container with a bread slice to maintain moisture. Freeze for longer storage. If cookies spread too much, make adjustments. Chill dough longer, lower butter temperature, or test baking soda/powder age. These small fixes restore your expected shape and chew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.